What's up, guys? This is Shannon. I'm coming at you with a quick boxing drill. Let's get to work. It looks like this. Jab, jab, cross. Slip, slip. Come on, Mike. Let's kick it up a notch. Okay. Oh, Krav Maga. Whoo. Boom. And he's done. All right, guys, in case that was a little bit too fast, we're gonna break it down, slow it down, and we're gonna talk about this combination in detail. All right, guys, once again, I'm joined by longtime student and actor extraordinaire, Mike Ball, and he's gonna help me out with this drill. All right, so we're going over the one slip template combo. Looks like this. All right, so as you saw, we were going through our 3 fundamental boxing strikes: straight punches, hooks, and uppercuts. All right, we also incorporated head movement with our slip. All right, so this is gonna improve so many areas of your boxing game, which of course translates to your self-defense with your Krav Maga, because everything we do under the banner of Nomad Krav Maga, it's all Krav Maga, whether it's boxing, grappling, whatever. It's all Krav Maga with us because it's Nomad Krav Maga, the new way to think about it. All right, guys, so from here, let's break it down. We're going here, jab, cross, slip towards the rear hand, cross, jab, slip towards the lead hand. Hook, hook, slip towards the rear. Hook, hook, slip towards the lead. Uppercut, uppercut, slip towards the rear. Uppercut, uppercut, slip towards the lead to finish it out. Let's show it from this angle, Mike. A little bit smoother, a little bit less talking. All right, so what I would recommend that you guys do is learn this combo, because it's gonna do so much for your boxing, all right? It's gonna improve your straight punches, gonna improve your hooks, gonna improve your uppercuts, and it's gonna get you used to throwing punches off of that loaded position. All right, Mike, you wanna do it a couple times?
Let's do it.
All right, here we go. All right, one more, Mike. All right, guys, so that is the one slip template combo. If you like that video, please do me a favor, press the thumbs up button, press that subscribe button, and continue to watch our videos and continue to train with us and learn from us. Please, please, please ask us questions. We love to interact with you. All right, guys, again, appreciate you watching the video. Until next time, evolve limitless with Nomad Krav Maga, and thanks for watching.